In a world full of distractions and endless to-do lists, productivity has become a critical skill for personal and professional success. Many people struggle to manage their time effectively, which leads to stress, burnout, and unfinished goals. The Productivity Blueprint offers a clear, actionable framework to help individuals take control of their time, focus on what truly matters, and achieve more without feeling overwhelmed. Why productivity matters? Productivity is not about doing more, it's about doing what matters most. When you learn how to prioritize tasks, eliminate unnecessary distractions, and manage your energy, you create space for growth and success. The book emphasizes that productivity is less about working harder and more about working smarter. This shift in perspective allows you to reach your goals efficiently while maintaining balance in life. Key lessons from The Productivity Blueprint. 1. Time is your greatest asset. Time is non-renewable. The book stresses the importance of valuing every minute and using it intentionally. Instead of filling your schedule with low-priority tasks, focus on high-impact actions that drive results. 2. The power of planning. A clear plan prevents wasted effort. By setting daily, weekly, and monthly goals, you can track progress and stay aligned with long-term objectives. Planning also reduces decision fatigue, freeing your mind to focus on execution. 3. Focus beats multitasking. Multitasking may feel productive, but it actually reduces efficiency. Deep focus on a single task at a time leads to higher quality work in less time. The blueprint introduces techniques like time blocking and the Pomodoro method to sustain concentration. 4. Energy management over time management. Productivity is not only about hours worked but also about how you manage your energy. Proper rest, exercise, and nutrition play a vital role in keeping your mind sharp and your motivation high. 5. Eliminate distractions. Constant notifications, social media, and interruptions are the enemies of productivity. The book highlights strategies for creating a distraction-free environment to stay in the flow state longer. Practical steps to boost productivity. Set clear priorities. Use the Eisenhower matrix to decide what is urgent, important, and unnecessary. Adopt time blocking. Schedule chunks of focused work time for important tasks. Break big goals into micro tasks. Divide large projects into smaller, manageable steps. Leverage technology wisely. Use productivity apps for reminders, calendars, and task management, but avoid becoming dependent on them. Create morning and evening routines. Consistent routines set the tone for productivity and reflection. Real-life applications. Imagine a professional who struggles with deadlines and distractions. By applying the principles in the Productivity Blueprint, they start blocking 2 hours each morning for deep work, turning off notifications, and planning.